Hello store owners! Today I'm setting up the Add to Quote button on my store. This is what lets my wholesale customers add products to a quote request right from the product page, the shop, or the cart. Before we start, make sure you've got wholesale quotes and wholesale prices installed and at least one wholesale role set up. To get to the button settings, I go to Wholesale, then Settings, click the Wholesale Quotes tab, and then Quote Button Placement and Styles on the left. The first thing I'll set is the button labels. There are two. The label that shows before a product is added to a quote, and the one that shows after. I've got mine as Add to Quote and Remove from Quote, which are the defaults. These labels apply everywhere: product pages, shop pages, and any WooCommerce block templates. So whatever you type here shows up across the whole store. Now for the product page button. There are two things to set here: placement and style. For placement, I can put it above or below the Add to Cart button, above or below the product title, or overlay it on the product image in any corner. I'm keeping mine below the Add to Cart button. For style, there are 10 options, from a plain text link to icon only to solid pill buttons. I'm using solid icon and text, which gives it a clean weight next to the cart button. Here's what it looks like on my store. The Add to Quote button sits right below the Add to Cart. For variable products like this hoodie, customers select their color and size first, just like they would with Add to Cart, and then click Add to Quote to add that specific variation to their quote. Same idea for the shop page. I set a placement below the Add to Cart button in the product card and pick a style. Icon only or simpler styles tend to work well here since the product cards are smaller. I'll go with icon and text to keep it clean at that scale. And here's how it looks on the shop page. The Add to Quote button appears in every product card right alongside the Add to Cart, clean and consistent across the whole catalog. The cart button is a bit different. In these, instead of adding one item to a quote, it converts the entire cart into a quote request in one go. The label defaults to Request a Quote. I can place it after the cart table, before the totals, or after the checkout button. I also have Clear Cart after quote submission turned on, so once the quote is sent, the cart empties automatically. On the cart page, this is what my wholesale customer sees: the Request a Quote button sitting right there next to the cart items. When they click it, the entire cart is submitted as a quote. What happens next depends on the action after adding product setting in the New Quote Page tab. I've got mine set to redirect to the quote page, so customers land there straight away to review what they've sent. And that's the Add to Quote button fully set up on my store. Product pages, shop pages, and cart all covered. One quick tip: if you're not seeing the button, check that you're logged in as a wholesale customer, since it only shows to users with a wholesale role by default. I'll link the full documentation below. Drop any questions in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.